Moving over to question number 22 of slot 2 today. So they're telling me that AN and BN be two sequences such that AN is equal to 13 plus 6n minus 6, or AN is equal to 6n plus 7, and BN is equal to 15 plus 7n minus 7, which tells me BN is equal to 7n plus 8 for all natural numbers n. Then the largest 3-digit number that is common to both. Okay, so let's write down the sequence. Okay, the first sequence here. Okay, n, natural numbers n. So n has to be natural number, means I can start with 1 only. So the first number will be 13, and you know that the common difference will be 6. Okay, because 6n plus here, and here the common difference will be 7. So 13 plus 6, okay, plus 6 is now going to become 25, and so on. And here the first one will become 7 plus 8 is 15, then plus 7 is 22, and then so on. Let's write down, because I need to figure out which is the first term that's common. So here again, if I do plus 6, I'll get here 31, then plus 6 I'll get 37, then I'll get 43, then I'll get 49. Okay, let me proceed here also. Plus 7 is 29, plus 7 is 36, plus 7 is 43. Okay, 43 is the first term that's common. Okay, the next term that's common now. This series will have a common difference of the LCM of the common difference of AN and BN. So common difference here was 6, common difference here was 7. So LCM was 42. So here the number will be in the format 43 plus n into 42. This is what the terms are going to be like. Okay, now they're asking what is the largest 3-digit number. Now again, for this you'll have to try to make use of the calculator, or you'll have to do it mentally in your mind. Now you keep on substituting values of n, but the largest 3-digit number now, so you'll have to try to maximize. So 43, okay, plus if I take 20 into 42 will give me 840, so n has to be greater than 20. So try with n is equal to 21 first. So 21 into your 42, 21 into 42 here, you'll get 882. Okay, so 43 plus 882. This is still not the largest 3-digit number. You can still go forward. N is equal to 22. Then you will get 43 plus here 21 into 42. You'll get here 2 again here 42 into 22, right? So this is a 4. This is going to be a 12, and this is going to be a 924. So you see that 924, okay, is going to be here. So if you add this now, I think beyond this you'll not be able to forward. If you add 43 to this, it's going to become a 4-digit number. So this value is the largest 3-digit number that's common to both these sequences. Let's calculate it. Yeah, 967. If you add 43 to this, this is going to become more than 1000. Okay, so you'll stop with this. So 967 was the answer. So approximations and all, you'll have to be good at it while doing these kinds of problems.